We create the ultimate Giga Big Mac. Giga Mac. And it's the best Big Mac we've ever tasted.
Yeah.
This is, we've reported on this before, Sora News 24.
Yeah,
This is from Japan.
Mm-hmm.
And so what do we have? Extra patties? What's going on here?
Everything's bigger.
Everything's bigger.
And more patties, yes.
Everything is bigger. This year, the Giga Big Mac, which is said to be around 3 times the size of an ordinary Big Mac, returned for a limited time from June 1st. But this time, it got a custom overhaul with a hack that not a lot of people know about. And you won't be able to get this in Russia. And I like the DJ Medusa go ahead Mo.
He's not here.
Well, but also for the Big Mac because Mo didn't get the nuggets. Now he has to throw this into his into his order list.
The Mo Mac.
That's right. It's going to be part of his world record he's going to set. Little known fact that every burger at McDonald's has ingredients you can add for free. The Giga Mac is no different. So when we stopped by to order ours earlier this month, we requested one ordinary version of the burger and one with all the free toppings to create the ultimate Giga Big Mac. Now, this is content, Will.
Yes.
If you ever wondered what content was, you have stumbled upon content.
This is fun.
So how many extra toppings are there? Like, I don't even remember. Oh, wow. We're going to get a side-by-side comparison. There's the custom on the left because you can tell with the sticker.
Uh-huh.
It actually says Giga Big Mac.
It's fun.
It sounds digital.
Yeah.
Giga Big Mac. Gigabyte Mac.
So I'm guessing these are the toppings?
Yeah, so that's everything on it. Not quite like the original photo. Lifting the top bun reveals there isn't a lot of difference in the topmost layer of the burger. Well, where do they have to get for all these extra ingredients? I mean, you see pickles on the right, but does it always have pickles? I can't even remember.
Yes, they have pickles.
It always has pickles, right? Oh, there we go. You got a tomato. By the looks of it, you're just getting a what? However, removing the meat patties and progressing to the next level reveals one vital difference, a big, juicy slice of tomato. While it looks like the regular version has more pickles at first glance, don't be fooled. There's a treasure trove of pickles hiding under the tomato. Look at the glove. Look at wearing the glove to lift the tomato.
Very surgical.
Unbelievable stuff. So I feel like all that was achieved here was a tomato. Oh, and more tomato.
There's more tomato.
And more tomato.
Would you eat it with a tomato? Or
oh yeah, I like tomato. Well, you can put tomato on whatever. The only thing with the tomato on a burger like this is the slipperiness.
Oh,
because you have multiple patties and stuff. So like picking it up and being somewhat decent about your ingestion of it. Good luck to you. But a Giga, I would be curious how big it actually. I want to see it scaled up next to a regular Big Mac because those images don't make it look that big.
Yeah, they need a hand comparison.
Some sort of banana for scale.
It looks great though.
Yeah.
Very delicious.